how many pages should your website have? Now, this is a very broad question. If you're a big business, you're doing millions of dollars, then this video is not for you. But if you're a smaller business, you're a solopreneur, you're a consulting business, coaching business, there is a particular framework that works really well for smaller businesses. So if you're making anywhere from 5 to 10 grand or 5 to 30 grand, then this video is for you. If you're thinking about the structure of your website, then in this video, I'm going to cover that in detail. Again, this is part of my paid course. People have paid a lot of money to get access to this stuff. So if you like it, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments, leave them below.
All right, guys, let's move on. So let's talk about the layout. Now we have to follow our principles and make sure that we keep it simple and don't make it complex, don't make it bloated. So what we're going to do is we're going to build a home page with a clear call to action, where we're going to ask people to interact with our website. We're going to make a simple about page, simple contact page, so that if they want to get in touch with us, they can do it. And in our about page, we're going to talk about us and what we can do for them. We're going to create a scheduling page. So if they want to set up a call, if you want to set up calls via website through a scheduling software, you can do it. And we're going to have the privacy policy in terms of service pages. Now you can always add blogs, you can always add more pages, but I'd like to say that don't make it overcomplicated, don't make it bloated, don't make too many pages, If you don't like some pages, if you're not using them, delete them because it just slows down your website. It's not a good practice. But those are the basic pages you need really to get your website going. Now let's talk about the home page, because this is what's going to look like. Okay, so you're going to have traffic coming in from, I've put all the things, I've put some of the social media platforms here. I've put ads. I mean, depending on where your ideal client is and where you fish for leads, that traffic is going to come to your homepage, right? So if you're running ads, that traffic will come here. If you're doing organic outreach on Facebook, that traffic comes here, or Pinterest, or YouTube, or whatever, right? And they come here, and here we have a call to action. So essentially, we're going to give them an actionable item here. So we're going to say, hey, do you want this? Hey, is this something you're interested in? And based on our work that we've done in the ideal client of our worksheet, in the message worksheet, in the niche definition worksheet, we're going to know what they want. So we're going to put it out there. We're not going to just put some random copy. We're going to put very specific words that when they look at it, when your ideal client looks at it, they're going to say, yeah, I want that. And as soon as they click on the call to action button, you can either use a pop-up, or what we're going to do is we're going to land them on another page. And then we're going to ask them, hey, give us your email. We're going to ask them for some information, something in return for the stuff that we're going to give them. Okay, so we're going to give them a lead magnet, and I'm going to talk about lead magnets in the next videos. But that's what we're going to do. We're going to capture the email. We're going to say, do you want it? Then give us your email. And when they give their email, we're going to redirect them to another page where we're going to say, hey, thank you. Here's your free PDF, or here's your free checklist, or here's your free video training, or whatever it is that you choose to go with. But we're going to give them one more thing. So what you can do is you can create two opt-ins. So the first one is for the email. The second one could be, hey, if you like it, join our Facebook group, or here's something more, or read this blog post. So make sure they keep giving them stuff. Don't just stop here. Give them more. Just tell them, hey, if you want it, here, join our Facebook groups. So one more thing. Always keep giving them more. And again, once you build these things, once you build your lead magnet, or if you're building a Facebook group, or you've written a blog post, there's not much work you have to do. It's already built. It's already in the process. So if somebody comes in, they're going to opt in, and they're going to say, yeah, I need more help with that. I'd like to join your Facebook group, or I would love to read that blog post, and just keep giving them more content. The idea behind this is you have to make them familiar with yourself, with your services. Because the way sales work is you know somebody, then you like somebody, then you trust them, and then maybe you will buy from them. So it's always know, like, trust, and then maybe they'll buy from you. So we have to make sure that we keep giving them things so that they'll keep interacting. And, it's a matter of, like, again, funneling them in, and then people who are really interested, they'll want to talk to you. So this is how it's going to look, guys. So really, you're going to have your homepage, like I've said, and we're going to give them something, we're going to have them a call to action. We're going to get the email. We're going to, have them opt in, and then we're going to give them one more thing, just one more thing. And again, here, they could decide to opt out, but, it's always good to have that. Then you can have blog posts, you're going to have an about page, contact page, and we're going to have the privacy policy in terms of service page. So I'm going to give you all the copy and everything for this, so you don't have to worry about anything, and we're going to build all that, so don't worry about it. But I would like to say, don't make it overcomplicated, over bloated. Just keep it simple till here, and you'll be good to go. And in the next video, we're going to talk about the website copy framework.